team foul.
First game for tonight, Magic Land versus Greenwich Basket. Sige na siya.
2-3. Shot clock 16 seconds. Shot clock 13
3 points, basket. 3-1 para sa Greenwich. Another ball for Greenwich. Way tuck in.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Nice pass. Magic Land ball. Game pass na. Oops.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Up. Number and steal for Greenwich. Number 26, 2 versus 1. Oh no, good. Number 13, game pass. And to number 3, basket. Wala stress. Pangita ay bag ba? Greenwich Wild, number 32, and there's a foul. Coach Jason on the sideline.
Shout out kay Coach Jason Robles.
Jason.
Jason Robles.
Gracious cow. Shout out Coach Jason Robles and
Assistant Coach Raymart Orsal.
And Assistant Coach Raymart Orsal. Shout out from Team Magic Land. Basket for Greenwich.
Remaining 7 minutes and 13 seconds.
And steal for Greenwich. And up. Mayong gabi daw. Shout out John. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, nasubong sa Ballers League Season 3 Inter-company game between Magic Land versus Greenwich.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
12 to number 00 for 3. Rebound para sa Magic Land. Thank you so much. Ito na nga watch na. Oops, dugo flicker ang atong suga. Basket. Wala 5. Greenwich ball.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Number 13, Tumira, no good. Rebound for Magic Land. Number 10 to number 3. And that's not a nice block. Ball for Magic Land. There's a foul basket. May gapa-hapa na to.
Foul number 32, that is first personal foul.
7-5 for Magic Land. Bonus throw. Basket. 8-5 for Magic Land. Flicker ang sugaaw.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
6:20 remaining first quarter. Mayang gabi da, madam. Shout out Elmer John Valencia of 4J Squad. Please like and follow his page. Thank you so much. And there's a foul.
Foul number 24, that is second personal foul.
Panawagan sa Greenwich players, kung di nakamo, kadto nakamo di, ay kami sa PLDT Grandstand. Waiting ang ibang players sa pisang Greenwich. Second attempt for Gomez. No good. Rebound. 4 and foul. Ay, ano to? Jumbo. Jumbo. Awa.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Ball for Greenwich. Tres! Umawas pa. And natumba. Wow, thank you. Welcome. Number 3 on the attack. Rebound. Saliwat sa Magic Land. Nice pass and there's a block.
Shot clock 13 seconds. Remaining time 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
5:30. Steal for Greenwich. Greenwich ball. Number 6 on the attack. There's a foul.
Foul number 13, that is second personal foul, 14 foul.
8-5 ang score for Magic Land. Free throw para kay Villanueva, number 26. First attempt, basket. 8-6. Second attempt. 8-7. Timeout. Para sa Magic Land. 8-7 is score first quarter of the game. At si Coach Jason Robles. Shout out, good evening, Angelo Calvo. Shout out. 8-7. 8-7 is score for Magic Land. Kay Paul? Hindi ah. Pwede, gaya din ako na. Kumbawa mo ba, tere ba? Ball for Magic Land. Kinabalang ko na nasa. Ha? Damo ba, tere? Damo ba, tere? And steal for Greenwich.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock
Nice
12.
save. And there's a foul.
Foul number 13, penalty. Foul number 13 with Chanova, that is second personal foul.
Dumangos. Ah, kabus. Dumagos. Dumaygos. Sorry. May mga piso. Uy! May piso, pati kakalaan. No, ay, kakalatabog. Ay. Salamat. Shout out. Salamat. Second attempt for Dumaygos, number 00. For Greenwich. Rebound for Magic Land. And there's a foul for Gernella.
Remaining time 5 minutes.
8-7 sa gihapon. Dumaygos, first attempt. Awas! Second attempt. Ano oras ang pang ni boss? Second game kami bala mo? Rebound for Greenwich! Isa pa gid! Nice block. Rebound for Greenwich. Siya gihapon.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Nice pass. Gomez. Basket and there's a foul. Wash out tabi madam daw dugay nakawala lang taw live how. Mayong gab per may kublaga live.
Number 24, that is third personal foul.
8-9 avance na ang Greenwich. Gomez on the free throw line. Bonus throw. Awas. Up. Rebound for Greenwich. Gomez again. A basket. 11-8.
That is first personal foul.
Shout out Kev Artun. 8-11 for Greenwich. Bonus throw. Basket. At 8-12 for Greenwich.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
4:30. Up.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
Tres. Boss. Rebound.
Go!
For Greenwich. Greenwich
Shot
ball.
clock 13 seconds.
Number 26, Villanueva. Basket. 14-8 for Greenwich.
Remaining
Land
time
ball.
4 minutes.
And 24, Malan. Wala. And still for Magic Land. To Hechanova, number 13. To Gernella, number 3.
Shot clock 13
Lumasot.
seconds. Gernella.
Basket. 10-14.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
3:30. Gomez. No good. Magic Land ball. Nice D.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
And tumaagaw pa. Number 9 na Danlog.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
3 minutes remaining first quarter. 10-14 for Greenwich.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Gaguba ng motor ay. Gampang madam. Greenwich versus Magic Land. Greenwich on black red. Ay black ano na red. Look red. Black red. Greenwich on blue white. Ara na sila. Gernella! Naigo sa board. And still for Magic Land. Hechanova to number 9. Kabos! Rebound for Greenwich. First game, yes, first game. Second game pa. And nabuyan.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Time out na yun ah. And still for Magic Land. Oh, there's a foul. Congrats, Mads. May ads na ba? Yes, naglipat.
Timeout Greenwich.
Time out for Greenwich. Shout out Coach Dirty Lopez, the third. Watching from Saravia, Was-Was, mga lodi. Happy Fiesta, belated Happy Fiesta. Gali, Sinug Alaw Festival sa Ibimag. Next game is Balay Busay versus Do Exam. 10-14 Abance ang Greenwich. Watch out, madam. Zion Akuyong from Richmond. Akuyong, shout out. Feeling ko ara ng mga players ka Greenwich. Ay, hindi pa. Enemy. Gani. Magic Land ball. Panawagan sa players ng Greenwich. Ay! Kulang ang players nila di subok. Malan! Basket! 12-14!
Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Galaot ang Magic Land. 12-14. Do exam.
Shot clock 12 seconds.
Greenwich ball. Rebound for Magic Land. And lapaw out of bounds. Gaguban na mo talaga. Iyagali ka do exam.
Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Greenwich ball. 12-14. For Greenwich. Duwa na lang ang abanse. Nice pass. Gomez again.
Gomez.
12-16. Magic Land ball.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Bulls rebound for
1 minute.
1 minute remaining first quarter. 12-16 for Greenwich.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
And ball for Greenwich.
Shot clock 5.
Nagagaway sa dalom. Steal for Magic Land. Malampaw. Basket.
Foul number 26, that is second personal foul, 13 fouls. Remaining time 30 seconds.
Michael, ginapilido yan. Rebound for Greenwich.
Remaining time 30 seconds. Shot clock 13 seconds.
14 seconds on a shot clock that time. 30.
Remaining time 30 seconds.
30 seconds remaining. Shout out. Good evening, Noemi de la Cruz. Thank you so much at tanan yung galantaw. Ay pa. Wala ko gali ma-cross post sa ano.
Remaining time 30 seconds.
Rebound for Magic Land. Nice pass! Basket.
20 seconds.
18-14.
15 seconds.
And steal for Greenwich.
10.
Out of bounds.
10 seconds.
Ano next game, Madam? Balay Busay versus Exam. Shout out Jeffrey Delgado.
Remaining time 7 seconds.
7 seconds remaining first quarter.
Remaining time 7 seconds.
And still for Greenwich. Hey! Nice block.
2 seconds. Remaining time. Remaining time 2 seconds. Remaining time 2 seconds.
Nice pass. Basket for Greenwich has scored 20-14 end of our first quarter.
20-14 in favor of Greenwich.
20-14 para sa Greenwich. Kita mo na gid nga plastic yun, igot mo lang kagi ano da. Kiga na.
Ganda sila dito. Nakaka-post mo. Kailan daw sa live mo?
Sadya, tabala.
Saan na next day?
Ibimag ko, no?
Dito ang mga dito. Kami chef?
Hindi pa.
Kami chef, bro. Dala mo na siguro.
Buka, tani lang eh. Para lapit.
Oh, dala mo.
Ay, Rocker. Ay, Rocker. Pero doon selfie tanan na. Uy, vlog pa, mati. Dali.
Yeah, video ko.
Tingala, kung man gagawa ng motor do, exam, galit ka.
Baro mo na utang? Exam club.
Kaya kung gagawa ng motor, hindi mo motor do, exam, galit ka bro.
Puro na tanan rin. Pagpapuro ka na. Hindi na ilang alam.
Wala pa ako na, no?
20 ano ganito?
Wala ka?
20 ano ko yung motor ako. 19.
So, ganyan sa good pandemic na na yan.
Leo?
2020, guro.
Nung alam sa pan, katigat siya.
Wow. Second quarter. Nagsulod na si Coach Jason Robles. And still for Greenwich. Ugoy! Basket for number 14, Torrico. 22-14. Tumba pa si Coach Jason. Ball for Greenwich and steal. And steal again for Greenwich. Basket. 24-14 na. Francis. 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 24-14. My baby loves Pasino. Go baby. Ay, sorry. Nakadala ko. Nice pass! Aliyah!
Go daddy, mo ito isa.
Shout out Idol Gherkin Willie. Basket! 3 points! 19-26.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
19-26 for Greenwich. Tres! Uy! Kapala lumpat sa ilay. 19-28 for Greenwich. Another one. There's a foul.
Foul number 35, that's his first personal foul.
Ginlibre ko kita akong schedule. Subong kayo mapangamasik ko.
Libre, free ride ni.
Second attempt for Pasino, my loves.
Huwag masyadong halata.
20-28 para sa Greenwich. Go baby Torrico. Palaba pa si from Ren Cordero. Escarab. 20-30.
Remaining time 10 minutes and 30 seconds.
20-30. Go daddy nga from Ren Cordero.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Magic line ball out of bounds. Diin? Hindi ko, ano, wala kang dumduman.
Dawan sila, so
3 points!
Number 25, 3 points.
33-20 for Greenwich.
Remaining time, 7 minutes.
Coach Jason Robles on the attack. There's a foul.
Taas lang, taas lang, taas lang.
Foul number 17, Torico. That is first personal foul.
First attempt for Robles. Basket. Second attempt. Basket again. 2 points. France, 2 points, France. 22-33. Ball for Magic Land. Kadali, and blocked.
Shot clock 20 seconds.
Blocked agad sila yun. Shout out to Sir Nono Eslawa. Good evening, sir.
Hey, saka ikibabaw, kahit na.
Europe, akad to Europe. 3 points sa basket for Pescara. 25-33 for Greenwich. 3 points. Rebound for Pasino. Besana to Jason Robles for 3. Pasino again. There's a foul. Basket. 27-33.
Foul number 14, Torico. That is first personal foul.
Hey! Hey!
Bonus throw. Basket for Pasino. 3-point play. 29. Ay? 29-33. Ay, 28. 28-33. Gali. Sorry. And steal for Magic Land. Jason Robles. Basket. Ari na. 30-33. Nabad-bad sa Magic Land. Ang abanse. 3 na lang. Sumaside step.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Tres! Ay! Shout out kay Frederic Pasino. Rebound for Magic Land. And
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
from Roger Pasino. .33 ang score. Tatlo abanses ang Greenwich.
Oh!
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Jason Robles for 3, no good. Greenwich ball. Number 17. There's a foul.
Foul number 14, Besala.
Shout out Hamper Dick Boyson.
Personal foul.
Number 17, Torico on the free throw line.
Remaining time, 5 minutes.
First attempt. Basket. 30-34. Second attempt for Torico. And violation. 30-34 para sa Greenwich. Magic Land ball. Three points, Kabus. Ball for Greenwich. Number 14
Shot clock 15 seconds.
to number 17. Pareho sila Torico. Pa-shoutout madam kay Jacob Besana. Shoutout rin kay Koy Koy Shana. Shoutout Besana. 3 points! Bang! Ipa-shoutout lang. Nag-tres na. 33-34. Isa na lang ang abanse kay Greenwich.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock
3 kabus. Coach Jason Robles umatake. Lumayap, umawas, Pasino. Layup, basket. Balik ang abanse sa Magic Land. 35-34. Torico, foul. Time out ko, no?
Time out.
Mega yung na-step na kakitanda mo.
Foul 6 Pasino, that is first personal foul.
Time out for Greenwich. (35-34) score. Abanse na ang Magic Land.
Ba't ko na itong musina? Ha? Musina, tag na itong. Nambili mo siya. Huwag kayo nag-chat ba? Dole sa akong gano'n. Kung kabalo ko kay sinolin. Wala ko dala siya siya.
Free throw for Torico, number 14. No good. Second attempt. Basket. Up. Nice save. Wala gali.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
3:40 remaining in second quarter. Wallace 35 ang score. Magic Land versus Greenwich. Escare to Torico.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Bam! Basket. Balik ang abanse sa Greenwich. 37-35. Steal for Greenwich Escare. Awas mo. No good. Mayang gabi na dam na may ang pakamangod ko dam. Frederick Pasino. Yes! Nagbibilav. Nice pass. Sorry again. 39-35. Time out for Magic Land.
Magic Land.
Bayaw. Mayang gabi. Bayaw.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 55 seconds.
Bayaw. Respect. Pasino. Mayang gabi. Bayaw.
Masyadong ano.
Ano na nga quarter, madam? Second quarter. Time out para sa Magic Land. 35-39. Greenwich ang abanse. Ginapang live.
Ginapang live.
Hindi, oo, ano. Opo, na yung buwan. Bo ya doon. Shout out John Yan Fuentes. John Yan Fuentes, the player mo man ha?
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Ari di si Roque sa tupad ko. Master Jason Robles. Follow up by Pasino. Wala. Rebound. Natumba nga. Kunti na lang. Baby. Nay lang. Foul. Mayang gabi from Antipolo. Pa-shoutout sa kapatid ko. Jericho Gomez. Shoutout from Gomez Jaren.
Shot clock 19 seconds.
Ball for Greenwich. Torrico. To Escare. To Torrico. Rebound for Magic
Remaining
Land.
time 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
2:10 remaining. Robles to Pasino, no good. Ball for Greenwich. No. Steal for Magic Land. Besana to Robles. Basket. 37-39. Torrico, there's a foul.
Foul number 6, Pasino, that is second personal foul, 13 fouls.
Torrico, number 14, free throw. Wala. Second attempt. Basket. 40-37. Yog siya damo share ang mudlo ka mata ko from Francis Villaruz. On foul.
Foul number 2, that is first personal foul, 14 fouls. Shot clock 14 seconds. Robles.
Greenwich ball, 3 points, Kabus. Rebound para kay Pasino. To Besana. To Mr. Jason Robles. Bam!
Robles. Remaining time 1 minute.
Balik ang abanse to Magic Land. 41-40. To Besana.
50 seconds.
And another one. Wala!
45
Rico
seconds.
versus Pasino. Isa pa.
30 seconds.
And wala pa. Isa pa again. There's a foul. Damo-damo. 41-42.
Foul number 9, that
Where's
is
the
first
Greenwich?
personal foul, penalty. Remaining time 37 seconds.
Torrico, number 14, on the free throw line. Basket. Jacob Besana, isabi ka sidestep pala Casiliana from Ren Cordero. Grabe nga sidestep ba? 41-43 para sa
Shot
Greenwich.
clock 14 seconds.
Jason Robles. Nice pass. Oh, stepping on the line. Sa dinadama ni
Remaining
sa
time 23 seconds.
PLDT Grandstand. Ano ng quarter, madam? Second quarter.
15 seconds.
Uy! Block. Ball for Greenwich. Agiyapon. 3 points! Rebound for Magic Land. Besana! No good! Robles on the follow-up. And of the second quarter,
Another second quarter.
Wallace.
43 all.
43. 43-0. Nakalaot ang Magic Land. May game ka mo. Huli kaya. Shout out sa akong nga manog picture gali oh. Francis Sabordo. Ligo ah? Wala na masa-masa na na sa masa-masa.
Boss!
Ay, kulang ang magyapon? Kulang? Kulang pila? Tatlo. Uy, dilo. Kulang tatlo ang players ka Greenwich. Kulang 3, so plus 6. Amo na nga itong new rule for the intercompany. Isa ka player nga kulang is plus 2 each. So plus 6 ang Magic Land. Plus 6! Ara na. Wala na ako napili ay. Daw mayo ang ngampang ka subong ka Magic Land ba from Charlene Bello.
Ay, breathe. Pero nga.
Oh! Brian, siya pa tala. Pula, Brian. Ikaw din sa kilid. Ah?
Plus 6 ang Magic Land, 43-49. Para sa aton nga third quarter. Ako daw mo man sinyo, Gina. Napas pa mato si Pentes, siguro. Rebound for Arsal! Salavante! God, Salavante, Magic Land, no? Uy, steal! Oh, Magic Land, up! Nice, ah! Matik na yun ba?
Dopunpak pa.
Matik ba?
Hindi na ka nakapunpak pa.
Shout out Tito from Spencer Herdon. Escaren! 3 points! 46-49. Tatlo na lang. Good eve lang da, boss. Ay, nangagaboron. From Junex Juneo. Arsal! Nice pass. Ball for Magic Land. Shout out Junex Juneo and block. Foul.
Foul number 13.
46-49 for Magic Land. Salavante on the free throw line.
That's his first personal foul.
$50-46 Magic Land. Badjan.
The clock 14 seconds.
Bam! 3 points again for Escara. 49-50. Laot na nga ano, pang plus 6 ba?
The clock 13 seconds.
Low.
The clock 12.
Up, there's a foul. Grabe, Paul ba?
Foul number 2 is Kare. That's his second personal foul.
Salavante on the free throw line. No good. Second attempt. Basket. 49-51 for Magic Land. Dua. Tres again. Rebound. Magic Land ball. And uy. Wait lang.
Foul number 7, Salavante. That's his first personal foul.
Sa egg.
Itong gamay. Kung mag-ilin siya naman. Kung man yung rebe, ano?
Sir Colin.
4-5.
Papawayan sa iya, tanga makarecover.
1 minute guro eh. Time out ko na. Time out. Ano na, nakabata ka naman. Excalibur 3, wala. Wow, 4 minutes ang Japan. Oh, foul.
Foul number 2 team Calauan, that is first personal foul.
Ball for Greenwich. Villanueva, naglibot steal. Charisma, up. Oh, lain.
Shot clock 18 seconds.
Magic Land ball. 49-51 for Magic Land.
Shot clock
Number 8 on, blocked. Bajan. No good. Ay, kasabad nga ga-blur ka man. Magic Land ball. 49-51 sa gihapon. Basket. 49-53 for Magic Land. Apat ang abanse. 3 basket. 52-53.
Remaining time 6 minutes.
Shout out Chico Chico. Good evening. Edna Buyan. Luis Carter. Basket. Balik ang abanse sa Greenwich. 54-53. Pamerases ka. Uy. Time out for Magic Land. 54-53. Abanse ang Greenwich isa. Doon sa batag man. Diba? Doon sa patag ng balay busa. I think. Ikaw mo lang yung screen eh. Kabalo ko lang doon sa player. Nabili ng bola. Oh, blocked.
Dagdag na ng iPhone 14 Pro Max. Ay, ikaw na lang uno. Dos kalit.
Salavante. To Charisma, to Salavante again. Oh, traveling. Tres. Abus. Rebound for yourself. To Salavante.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Tres. Bam! Mula. Rebound. Magic Land. Arquilla. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 10 seconds.
51-53 sa gihapon. Abansi ang Greenwich. Tres for Salavante. Basket. 56-54 for Magic Land. There's a foul.
Foul number 19, that was the first personal foul.
Second attempt, wala. Gapon. Salvante on the attack. Nice pass. Sal again. Basket. 58-54 now for Magic Land. Ay, may buot. Nakibot pa kuya. Salavante! There's a foul. Wala ka ano? Ako na bala ano nga? Ako na gani. Extension.
Dala mo na yung
Gagas ang season to pa na. Do resort. Sa patpag lang. Salvante, no good. Second attempt. Basket. 59-54 para sa Magic Land. 5. Tapos patay tanano ha. Tueskare. Uy! Ball for Magic Land. Salavante, sorry. Charisma, number 8. Rebound for Magic Land. Duwa ka mo da. Rebound up.
Foul number 4, foul, that is first personal foul. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
54-59. Why? Kanugol. Salvante on the attack. 3 versus 1. Wala. Gaido. Wala pa.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Third quarter pa lang. 3:10 remaining.
Amon bula! Ha? Uy! Itaw niyo! Matot sa likod! Uy! Iyan ni Riyari!
Kaya mo rin ano?
Ha?
Guys, Koreana. Gua.
Iyan niya! Paano ba?
Ball for
Hindi na lang. Nag-double whistle kami.
Magic Land. Nag-blur ka man.
Bawi!
Wala siya sa focus.
Bawi!
Remaining time, 3 minutes. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Rebound for Greenwich. Nice pass. Jump ball na lang na from J. Aldeles Cabecillas. Ball for Magic Land. Green on sugar ba?
Sandala pre, sandala pre. At kaya.
Charisma, foul.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 35 seconds.
2:35 remaining third quarter.
Foul number 8, Bajan, that is first personal foul penalty.
56-59. First attempt basket for Charisma. 60-56. Second attempt. No good. Rebound for Greenwich. Nice pass again. Basket. 58-60. Madam, ano nga game? Kagina first game? Hindi, first game pa lang ni Subong. Second game is Balay Busay versus Do Exam. First game pa lang. Charisma for 3. Rebound. Out of bounds.
The clock 14 seconds. Remaining time 2 minutes.
First game pa lang ni. 6:30 pasado na 6:30
The
nakasugod.
clock 12 seconds.
Ay mga 7 na gan. Nice pass. Foul. 58-60. Bottom pa nila.
Personal foul.
Okay, madam. Abi ko second na. Wala ang second game. Ano pa? Balay Busay versus Dexa. Marialive ako. Villanueva. Si number 8. Bajan. Si Villanueva. Pusa kada. Kabus. Or.
The clock 14 seconds.
Descare for 3. Rebound for 2 pass. There's a foul.
Foul number 13, penalty.
Penalty.
Foul number 13, that is second personal foul.
2 pass. Number 7 on the free throw line. First attempt. Uy. Good. Second attempt. Rebound for Greenwich.
18 seconds.
Pusa ka. Wallace 60 ang score. Third quarter.
Remaining time 1 minute and 20 seconds.
1:20 remaining on our third quarter. Wallace 60.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
On your screen.
Shot clock 10.
Up.
2
Happening.
Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Ball for Greenwich. Wallace 60. Uy! Foul.
Foul number 8, Charisma, that is second personal foul penalty.
Foul for Charisma.
Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds.
Villanueva on the free throw line. Basket.
Nice na ho. Baliwat isa.
Second attempt. Basket again. 62-60 para sa Greenwich.
1 minute.
1 minute remaining, third quarter. Charisma for 3. Rebound for Arsal. No good. Arsal again. Foul.
Remaining time 50 seconds.
Arsal on the free throw line. Shoot to.
Remaining time 50 seconds.
Tapos, hindi ko kita. Yung wala bing ano.
Baba.
Dali lang ha. Dali lang Gidjaro. Kaya kung may pinagdadaanan kayo. Pare naman ta. And there's a foul.
Pasa.
Toad na girls.
Foul number 13, that is second personal
Girls,
foul.
toad na girls. Pasa ako ng mga babae ay. Shout out kay Ron Car or Saldam ara sa likod mo.
May nakita.
Dali. Sino na siya? May nakikita ka, hindi ko nakikita. Wala pa pista na tayo, no?
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock close.
Steal. For Magic Lab.
20 seconds.
Sino si Roncar or Sal?
Foul number 26, that is fourth personal
Or
foul.
salary marking. Kabudlay mo ni kasi.
19 seconds.
Pangitaan niyo kuya libog. Wala man dito ako sa likod ko. Charisma, free throw line. Basket.
Remaining time 19 seconds.
Wallace, 62.
15 seconds. Foul.
Kumeg, layup.
Foul.
Uy! Lakin mo. Ginalibot pa ba? May next game pa, may next game. First game pa lang ito sa bang. End of third quarter.
64-62 in favor of the Raiders.
64-62 for Greenwich and over third quarter. May second game pa tayo. Balay Busay versus Duexam. Super truck? Sino na sila? Fourth quarter! Robles for 3! Rebound for Greenwich. 64-62. Uy!
Go, Bo!
Attack!
13 seconds.
Ay, ako, coach.
Shot clock foul.
Nice! Olbeta!
Shot clock foul.
Uy! Uy! Isa pa! Basket for Mohamed. 66-62 para sa Greenwich. Robles! Blocked! Torrico number 14! There's a foul.
Foul number 14, Bisana, that is third personal foul, first team foul.
Torrico first attempt, basket. 67-62. Second attempt. Basket. 68-62 for Greenwich. Robles for 3. Rebound for Salavante. To Pasino. There's a foul.
Dua sa taong.
Foul number 14, Torico, that is second personal foul.
Pasino, free throw, first attempt, basket. 68-63, shot out Rams. Second attempt for Pasino. Basket. 64-68 para sa Greenwich. Bola.
Subat!
And steal for Magic Land. And wala pa. Ball for Greenwich.
Shot clock.
Sub. Aspalu Parong. My second game, Pagka Sam versus Balay Busay. Nice pass! Basket.
Gomez.
70-64.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
Pasino. No good. Rebound for Greenwich. Torico, number 17. And out of bounds.
Shot clock 17 seconds. Shot clock 13 seconds. Shot clock 10.
Torico. No good. Oh!
Buta bulang!
Shot clock 12 seconds.
Seconds on the shot
Shot
clock.
clock 12 seconds.
70-64 para sa Greenwich.
Shot clock 10.
Torico, number 17. Wala. Rebound. Isa pagid. Basket.
Torico.
72-64 na para sa Greenwich.
Shooter na!
Gernella to Besana. Magic Land ball. Besana for 3. Rebound.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Torreco Brothers. Gani. 30 sila.
Foul number 13, Codadera, that was third personal foul.
Gernella on the free throw line. First attempt. No good. Second attempt.
Box out.
Basket. 72-65. Torico again.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 50 seconds.
74-65. Basket
Gernella.
for Gernella. 74-67 sa Greenwich. Ang abansay gapon. There
Shot
goes.
clock 14 seconds.
Dalom.
Shot clock
3 seconds
10.
violation.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 25 seconds.
74-67 for Greenwich.
Dalomray ko na lang alam. O, tasam.
Pasino.
Sab.
Substitution.
Foul number 13, that is fourth personal foul. Remaining time 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Basket. 74-69 for Magic Land. For Magic Land. For Greenwich. Sorry. Nice pass.
Pila time?
76-69 for Greenwich. 6 minutes remaining. Fourth quarter. Salavante for 3. Rebound, Puerto Rico, number 14. Two pass, number 7. Nabuyan to Salavante. Steal. Out of bounds.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 14 seconds.
Magic Land ball. Besana. To Jason Robles for 3. 72-76.
Abang, sita hindi ka magdali. Inay lang.
15 seconds.
Torrico to Torrico, back to Torrico again. On the attack and steal. Besana versus Torrico.
Remaining time 5 minutes. Shot clock 19 seconds.
76-72. Jason Robles to Salavante for 3. Bang! 75-76. Isa na lang ang abanse sa Greenwich. Torrico. Awas. Rebound for Magic Land. Basket. Balik ang abanse to Magic Land. 77-76 para sa Magic Land. Steal for Magic Land. Robles to Pasino. Basket. Timeout.
Timeout. Greenwich.
79-76. Nabawi ang abanse. 79-76 para sa Magic Land. Time? 4:11.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 11 seconds.
4:11 remaining on our fourth quarter. Abanse na ang Magic Land 76-79. 4 minutes pa.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 11 seconds.
Ano? Greenwich ball. Hop, foul.
Foul number 3 Manila, that is third personal foul. Shot clock 12 seconds.
Was!
Upaw na! Dahil sa babaw dyan!
Ay!
Foul number 13, 5 fouls.
Congratulations, number 13. 5 fouls. Garnella on the free throw line, 79-76. Basket.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
3:50 remaining. 76-80. Second attempt. No good.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Ball for Greenwich. 76-80. Abansi ang Magic Land. And steal.
Shot clock 20 seconds.
Kumay ba tumulong?
Shot clock 13 seconds.
For Magic Land. Apat, abanse. Time remaining 3:35.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
2 pass for 3. Rebound for Pasino.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Pasino ball.
Shot clock 12. Remaining time 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
3:10 remaining. 76-80.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Oh, tira!
Basket. 78-80. Dua na lang abanses ang Magic Land.
Isa lang kalipin sa lang.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
78-80.
Shot clock 13.
2:35 remaining. Ooh! Rebound on! Rebound for Greenwich. 78-80. Bajan.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Jason Robles. Basket. 82-78.
2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Sub.
Shot clock 15.
Foul. Sub.
Foul number 14, Crystal, that is 4th personal foul.
78-82.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes of the ball game. And nabuyan. Hey! 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 Torrico!
1 minute.
80-82. Timeout.
Timeout, Magic Land.
80-82. Dua bases ang Magic Land.
Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds.
1:40 remaining. 80-82 para sa Magic Land. 140. Penalty ang.
Remaining time 1 minute and 40 seconds. Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Rebound.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Torico. Ah!
Shot clock 14.
Steal for Magic Land. Wala ba si Madam? Taban si Magic Land. Wala pa.
1 minute.
1 minute remaining. Basket for Robles. 80-84 for Magic Land. 55 seconds remaining.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Foul. Ball for Greenwich.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
80-84. 48 seconds remaining.
Remaining time 48 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Tirahin! Tirahin!
Shot clock 5.
Foul. Penalty.
Foul trigger nila, that is third personal foul. Third team foul.
Fourth pa lang. Isa pa, isa pa. 80-84.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
43 seconds.
Tira!
Shot clock 5.
Gomez Lumasot.
33
Basket.
seconds.
82-84.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
82-84 for Magic Land.
Shot clock 5. Shot clock 5.
And steal.
10.
At taglo!
And Wallace 84.
Time out Magic Land.
Time out for Magic Land.
5 seconds.
5 seconds remaining. Sit down. 84 all 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Side, side! Side, side! Dalom!
Five seconds. Apat-apat pa lang, apat-apat.
Remaining time 5 seconds.
Robert, and overtime.
Overtime.
Go, go, go!
Overtime tayo. Wallace 84.
Jake! Jake! Parang nagka-consulate.
Continuous na. Di wala na eh.
Jake!
Isa-isa tayo mo, no?
Oh.
Fouls to give, isa-isa. For penalty.
5 minutes. Oh.
Both teams, isa ka time out.
Dasig ka pasa, dasig ka pasa. Dasig ka pasa.
5 minutes. Overtime. Both. Naka-plus 6 pa naman. Bam! 3 points for Robles. 87-84 para sa Magic Land.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Salavante, no good. Rebound for Greenwich.
Shot clock 15 seconds. Shot clock 10.
There's a foul on the 3-point line.
Foul number 3 for Nila, 5 fouls.
Congratulations.
White na dribble, dasigta.
Two pass on the free throw line. Tatlo ka free throw.
Bola.
Basket. Second. Last throw for two pass. No, hindi ko, neighbor. Basket, 86-87. 4 minutes remaining, overtime.
Nice.
My shoutcaster, kada sa tupad, madam. Wala ako lang.
13 seconds.
Ay! Up. Foul. Penalty.
Foul number 15, Robles, penalty.
Padua.
Gomez on the free throw line. First attempt. Basket. Wallace, 87.
Waisa, mintom ka na. Wala time to?
Second attempt for Gomez. Basket again. Balik ang abase sa Greenwich.
3 minutes and 14 seconds.
88-87.
Dasigta, karota, tasabaw. Nice.
Seal for Greenwich. Torrico Salavante versus 1 versus 3. Nag-o-tigalid man so. Robles for 3 ka boss. Rebound.
Shot clock 14.
Torrico to Gomez.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
3 minutes remaining. 90-87 for Greenwich. Tatlo avances ang Greenwich. Time.
Shot clock 15 seconds.
Salavante to Robles. 89-90. Isa na lang avances
2
ang
minutes and 40 seconds.
Greenwich. 2:40 remaining. Overtime.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 5.
Torrico for 3. Kabos.
Remaining
Ari ka
time
lang
2
sa
minutes
mo
and
na
30
mapapitipik at
seconds.
tuti. Out of bounds.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 15 seconds.
2:15 remaining. May isa-isa pa ka mo ka time out. 2:15. 90-89 for Greenwich. Torrico, no good. Rebound for Salavante. Still for 2 pass to Gomez. Basket. Elsan. Gusto rin ka Bermig. Nandun na kami dito. May second game pa.
15 seconds.
92-89 for Greenwich.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Pasino block.
Remaining time 135 seconds.
135.
Remaining time 130 seconds.
130 remaining. 92-89 for Greenwich. Basket for Pasino. 92-91.
120 seconds.
120.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 4.
Torrico.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
94-91. Salavate blocked. There's a foul.
Remaining time 1 minute.
1 minute remaining. 94-91 para sa Greenwich. 4 pa lang.
Foul number 14, Torrico, that was third personal
Ay,
foul.
third pa lang.
Remaining time 1 minute.
Salavante first attempt. Basket. 92-94. 1 minute remaining. Second attempt. Basket.
Remaining time 1 minute.
93-94 para sa Greenwich.
55 seconds.
Ay! Go! Med again! Time out. Time out for Magic Land.
Magic Land.
96-93.
Remaining time 50 seconds.
50 seconds. 96-93 for Greenwich. Seconds remaining. Overtime. Overtime tayo. 50.
Remaining time 15 seconds. Shot clock 14 seconds.
96-93 for Greenwich.
Shot clock 5. Shot clock 7.
Salvante.
Shot clock 5.
Hechanova. Basket.
37 seconds.
96-95.
Shot clock 15.
Ay!
20 seconds.
Out of bounds! Wala touch.
18 seconds.
Time out ka mo? Time out? 20.
18.
Time out ka mo? Time out.
Time out Greenwich.
Time out for Greenwich.
Remaining time 18 seconds.
So pagkita. Uy, Pwede pa maglas 12.
15. Shoot. Ay, 10.
Remaining time 18 seconds.
18 seconds remaining. 96-95 para sa Greenwich. Isa-isa.
Remaining time 18 seconds. 15. 10.
Wow.
9 seconds remaining time.
Kodwa. Yabi. Time.
9.
9 seconds.
Villanueva
Personal foul penalty.
on the free throw line.
Tira na. Ay tayo.
Kabus.
Remaining time 9 seconds.
May 9 seconds pa.
The team still in out. Remaining time 9 seconds.
9 seconds.
Dipinsa ka tayo na!
Lesyon.
Isure ka!
Tira na yung time.
96, 95, 9 seconds remaining. Villanueva on the free throw line.
Tapita! Tapi!
Basket. 19.
Dipinsa ka!
Hey!
And steal for Greenwich. And of the ball game 97, 95 for Greenwich. Congratulations. Nice game overtime. Our best player is number 32. Sino number 32? Gomez. Best player.
May extra niya ba tira? Hadira ka lang tira. Ang best player.
Congratulations, Gomez, best player. Pila ka points, ha? 27 points for Gomez. Congratulations, Greenwich. Next game is Duexam versus Balay Busay. Shout out sa Coach Sang Greenwich. Congratulations.